Hello everyone, Rebecca here, I am Mama24. Thank you so much for joining me at my YouTube channel again today. I've got a different kind of video for you. This is going to be my first ever encounter with a diamond painting. Have you guys been hearing about these? I was first intrigued by the diamond painting probably about a year ago, and I actually put it on my Christmas list, didn't receive one, and kind of forgot about it. And then I was contacted by Victoria's Moon to review a diamond painting, and I completely jumped all over it because I was intrigued about the diamond painting. And I have been doing some research and watching some videos to see what it's all about. And it's kind of like a paint by number, but you're using the little diamonds, which they call drills, to fill in the proper colors along your picture. And it's like a big sticker sheet that you put the drills onto, and it makes this beautiful picture. And of course you can get different sizes, different pictures, different orientations. So I went ahead and picked a beautiful picture from the Victoria's Moon website, and I will leave the link to Victoria's Moon down below. I will also leave a 10% off discount code for you to utilize while you're shopping at Victoria's Moon. And so I'm going to do my first ever unboxing of a diamond painting with you here today, and stay tuned to my YouTube channel for the progress of this painting coming together. So let's get into this. From what I understand, you get absolutely everything you need to complete your project in the kit. So let's see here. It comes in a box, and oh, the first thing I'm seeing here is looks like the tool, and the painting is rolled up. All right, I've got everything out of the box. I'll set that aside, and let's see what we have here. Okay, so it's like a plastic canvas type of material. So this will be the back of the painting, and it's got like a canvas feel to it. If you can hear that. It's plastic, and the front of it is covering the huge sticker sheet. Wow, this is big. The diamonds are rolled up inside of the painting, and there is a map here inside, as well as more tools and glue for you. All right, so let's see here. I picked quite a substantial size because I wanted to be able to frame this and put it up on my wall. So as you can see here, the plastic canvas contains like a large sticker sheet, and here is the color coding map to show you what color goes into what square. I'm going to peel back the sticker here, the sticker sheet. Oh wow, okay, that is some substantial sticky. And okay, so that was one of my questions, was how are the diamonds not going to fall off? But that is some extremely sticky adhesive there. So it's one flat clear adhesive sheet. I'm not sure if you can get it on the camera. And then each of these squares represents a different color of the diamonds. Here is the tiny little thumbnail of the picture that it will eventually become. So it's like a beach scene looking through a window. So pretty. This is the size of the painting I chose, so 15 by 70 centimeters. So yeah, it's a substantial size. I can imagine this is going to take me quite a while to accomplish. I'm really happy with the thickness of the canvas, and here is a guide again, just another printout of what is on the side of the canvas here. And then here are all the, what they call the drills, but they're essentially the diamonds that eventually make up the painting. And you can pick round or square drills. I chose the square because I thought it would fill in the sticker portion better. So here is one of the colors. Now let's see here on the key. This one says number 3. So I'm looking at number 3 here, and it's 317, 317. And so wherever I see that image is where I will put these squares onto my painting. So that's where it's like a paint by number. And this is gonna take me a long, long time. But look at those beautiful pale ocean colors. So, so pretty. All right, so what else do we get in the kit here? This looks like, oh, this is a very fancy tool. I'm not sure if this comes in every kit or just mine to review it, but this is a special tool with diamonds in it. How cute is that? There's diamonds in it. And it comes in a case. And here is the one end. And this is another end here, a gummy end. So that's really pretty. And then in this one, we get some more tools. Ooh, I think this is tweezers. Those are tweezers. How awesome is that? That is a great quality tweezer right there. It's really heavy duty, and it's got a super fine point, and it does have the lid on it. Here is, it's got a finger. You can put it on here wherever you use your, however you hold your tool. And this is, if you have a whole bunch in one line that are one color, you can pick them up with this end and stick them on like that. And here is another end that you can put into the glue to do one diamond at a time. And here is a little container. So what I understand, you open up your whatever color you're working with at the time, and you want to work in sections. So I'll start in one corner of my painting, cut a section away of the adhesive, and keep everything else covered so that I don't get dust or anything on it. Once I've accomplished the first corner, I'm gonna tear away or cut away another piece of my diamond painting and continue on that way. So what you're gonna wanna do is pour whatever color you're working with into this little tray. And this little tray has lines in it that will kind of, when you jiggle it around, it'll kind of put them into those lines and line them up. And then what you want to do, there is two sides to these, and you want to make sure that you're putting the flat part of your diamond onto the sticky part. So if you don't have the right end, then you just give it another jiggle until it gets to where you want it to go. And then you use your tool to pick up the glue just like this. So now there's glue in the tip of my pen, and that's what's going to pick up your diamond. You're going to pick up your diamond and you're going to put it onto the square that you want to put it on your painting. And once you aren't getting the sticky that you want, you can continue with this piece of glue. This, I believe, is probably a replacement for the adhesive on the canvas. in case you needed to redo a spot, or there was a spot that you got a lot of dust or lint onto and you wanted to put another piece of adhesive down onto that. And so if you wanted to do a whole line, you would take a chunk of the adhesive or this like glue sticky stuff. You just peel it back
and push the tool in to pick up a piece of glue.
It has a protective coating on it, so it's not like sticking to my hand, but this is the glue that you're going to want to put into your tool to pick up your little diamonds, just like so. So I'm really looking forward to trying this out. My husband offered to let me into his man cave where the really good lighting is, and I'm gonna set up a table in his garage and do my diamond painting there, and we'll just spend some time together in the evenings. And I will paint and he will woodwork or whatever he's going to be doing, and I will set my camera up in his workshop so that you can come along for the process of my diamond painting. Thank you everybody for watching. Remember to check out Victoria's Moon. I will leave a 10% off discount code in the description box of this video for you to utilize over at the Victoria's Moon website. Happy shopping everybody, and I will be back with you soon with more diamond painting. Bye-bye.